Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode which is 2418. Sort the people. So here is given a names of an people and their height. You just have to sort them in a descending order, okay, with their heights. So let's do this. First you have to create an int n which store the names dot size and unordered map you have to create and string mapping, okay, and again you have to traverse for int I equals to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. You have to do mapping of height of I height of I is equals to names of I, okay. We just map this, and after this I will sort height dot r dot begin and r dot end. You have to sort this r height of r begin, comma height of r end, okay. This will sort this by reversing order and r end, okay. And after this again you will traverse through the for int I equals to 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. Again you will traverse through names of I is equals to mapping of height of I, okay. And after this you just have to return the names, okay. Let's run this code, whether it's run properly or not. There is a problem in height spelling. Heights, here is in heights. Let's again run this code. I hope this works fine. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.